other. All of us, we want to get somewhere, and it has to start from us and ourselves, and take personal responsibility. And I just see the guys, they work hard.
Yeah, personally, Damion, you put in a very good shift in my observation. Talk to us about your game.
I'm fairly satisfied. I think maybe I could have done a little bit more, but I have to rewatch the game later or tomorrow and see, what I can get better at. But yeah, I've been playing well for a couple months now, for both club and country. So I just have to continue to, put my good foot forward and just try to drive confidence in my teammates.
All right, congratulations. Even though it wasn't 3 points, the team still got a point, and the fans are still happy for that.
Hey, don't forget, it's a tournament.
Yeah.
Mexico still have to go to Suriname, or I don't know where, but still have to play Suriname again, and then we have to play us again. It's a tournament, we have some on the table, so anything can happen.
Yeah, man, all the best going forward there.
Yeah.
Question from you. Knowing that Mexico, we'll be facing Mexico again, and you have seen how this game went on.
Yeah.
You must know what next to face.
Of course,
again.
I mean, to be honest, we could have won the game today by 2 or 3 goals. Mexico, they have quality players, but we didn't show them much respect today. We went out there and we worked hard. Gone are the days where it's, oh yeah, we're Mexico or USA, we're afraid. The guys are hungry. The local guys, they're hungry, they want to be here. They drive us forward in training, and everybody push each other in the locker room, off the field. It's just, we're trying to develop a culture, just love and positivity.
One thing I realized that even though Mexico was pressing the team, you guys stick to playing the ball from the back. How difficult was that, and did it really become nervous at some time?
No, of course it's going to get chippy sometimes. They're going to make an interception here or there. But it comes with confidence. Again, we don't get much time to train together, so sometimes you have to use the game as training to get better. Topi, good young player, myself, senior player. We just have to, basically complement each other. You see the midfield, what we have, So again, we're not playing against aliens, So we just have to be confident on the ball, move the ball around, and it works. We got a couple chances, and again, new culture. We're trying to have a new look, a new style of football. Ball playing team, counter-attacking team, high pressing team, and it's working. So we just have to build on it.
All right, and congrats and big up again.